The first cabinet meeting of Tamil Nadu led by Chief Minister Joseph Vijay on June 5th has unveiled a major governance roadmap covering 436 targeted projects across various government departments. According to Electricity Minister CTR Nirmal Kumar, who briefed reporters after the meeting, the Chief Minister has laid out clear long-term goals for every department with a strong emphasis on the time-bound execution of welfare and development initiatives. The Minister explained that most of the departmental plans are directly based on the promises made in the TVK election manifesto. He added that the cabinet meeting focused on accelerating development across the state, creating greater employment opportunities for youth and women, strengthening welfare schemes for farmers and promoting industrial expansion along with ensuring transparent and corruption-free governance. A key highlight of the meeting, according to the minister, is the government's commitment to achieving a drug-free Tamil Nadu. He stated that the administration has already taken strong steps in this direction, including the closure of Tasmak liquor outlets. On policy matters, when asked about the proposed Parandur Airport project, which Chief Minister Vijay had opposed before coming to power, as well as other industrial projects, the minister said that detailed policy announcements would be made at an appropriate time. Meanwhile, Member of Parliament Tol Tirumavallavan from the Chidambaram constituency also addressed the meeting, calling for a comprehensive data-driven census. He stressed that urgent need to map the educational, social and economic conditions of scheduled caste and other marginalized communities across Tamil Nadu. Overall, the cabinet meeting marks the beginning of a structured roadmap for development, governance reforms and welfare delivery across the state. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.